Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you the finished paint that I did for the Satin orange, Fire Orange Rust-Oleum paint I bought on the item. It's already been installed, so I'm just going to show you a quick video of that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, so I did a video earlier talking about the the Satin Fire Orange. I had it hanging from the gazebo on the last video, which is hanging from these guys. I already installed it. I was talking to you guys about the paint I bought from Walmart, and this was the VHT header paint in, which looks like yellow, but it's not. It was actually orange on the cap. And this is the Rust-Oleum Fire Orange Satin. And on the green chair, it came out red. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like installed. Just move it back a little. So that's the handle right there against the red. I think it came out pretty good. So that's the difference in the red on the cart and the Satin Fire Orange. It's just a quick little video. This is an old Generac generator cart that I converted to hold a small 2-gallon compressor and a vise and a welder. This is an old MIG 200 welder. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. The paint's chipping right here, right where it's being hinged, but and right here, but it's alright. You know, I didn't give it a full like 3 or 4 days. It was hanging on gazebo for 27 hours or so. But yeah, it's just a quick video to show you guys. That's what it looks like. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.